Do you know you are a happy person if you are confident? You cannot be happy if you are not confident. Confidence is a key to a good life. When you are confident, you have the power to conquer everything. No one is born confident. If you see someone with infinite confidence, it means that he has worked hard to be confident. Confidence is not something you have, it's something you create. If you have confidence, you will succeed in whatever goal you set. Being confident is a feeling that can make your goal successful. Being confident does not mean that you are always making the right decision or that all the problems in your life will go away. It means that no matter what happens in your life, you will never lose faith in yourself and be confident in yourself. Let's know the rules of how to be confident and live a happy life. Do that keeps you motivated. When you start your morning, you will say something good and do something nice for yourself. It will motivate you to take care of yourself, go after your aims. Think positive. Be positive. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones and start seeing right sides of your situation. Thinking positive can manifest your dreams. When you are positive about something, you will be confident about it. Appreciate yourself. Have you ever thought about what your body does for you? Your life will feel like a gift to you if you appreciate what your body does for you. No matter what happens in your life, learn to appreciate yourself. Admire yourself. Tell something good when you stand in front of the mirror. Praise yourself and say, I love you. And don't worry so much. Smile a lot when you look at yourself and say, you're the best. Accept yourself. Love yourself because no one can take your place and you are only one piece in this world. You can be the best person you can be if you love yourself. Eliminate negative or toxic people. Try to keep yourself away from those people who hurt your feelings. You must keep your distance from those people who do not know how to respect you. Pretend to be confident. If you suffer from insecurity or you feel that you are not good enough, just pretend to be confident. Keep thinking that you are already successful. You might not be convinced at first, but your thoughts will become reality and you will be a more successful person.